Hey guys, we're just in the forest. Yeah. Back where I used to live. I live like up the block from Noah.
Hello,
Yeah,
it's me.
so we're back. Yeah, we're doing the same video at the same time.
We're videoing
Yeah.
each other. Me with Kyle.
Yeah, me with Tampa Man. We're just
Both making videos at the same time. To put
walking
it on
around
each
and
other's
stuff.
channel. Showing you guys the bullets.
yeah.
Hard to see because it's like
It's
really
okay.
sunny.
We've been walking around those townhouses and stuff.
Wait, Kyle, can I show you my tree fort?
Tree fort? Okay. This is where they made the movie Mine to Survive.
Yep, you should check out my brother's channel.
Forest Man.
Yeah, he made a movie, Thrive to Survive. It's cool. It's in here.
Starring Noah,
Okay, dig in.
Jonah. Oh, some stuff. We're walking around and stuff. Yeah, doing nothing. And yeah, so that's pretty much all I have to say. So subscribe, yeah, to both of our channels. Tampa Man and okay, let's go this way. Tampa Man and Kyle Graham. Okay, so